Hi, so for this week's video, I'm going to be doing types of sentences. The first type of sentence is declarative sentences. These sentences make a statement and inform someone about something. A few examples of these type of sentences are, I need to go to the store tonight because I ran out of toothpaste. He just finished reading those books, so he's going to the library. And last, Charlie has a golden retriever and a poodle. So these sentences tell us something. The next type of sentences are interrogative sentences, and these contain a direct question and typically end with a question mark. So an example of this is, when does the fair open up to public? Why haven't you started studying for the midterm yet? And do you really need to eat the ice cream cone right now? So next we have exclamatory sentences. These express strong emotions that vary from excitement, anger, to sadness. An example is, I was able to buy the concert tickets for us. I'm really gonna miss this place. And last, he is a liar. So these are examples of very so here we have imperative sentences. These issue a command, make a request, or offer advice and directions. An example is, bring this basket to your grandmother. Second one is, pass the salt and pepper. And last, take my jacket and place it on the hanger. Thank you for listening.